Hello and welcome to this new masterclass about the skill of sales funnel strategy. Sales funnel strategy is actually my core skill, and if you would look at how I impact businesses, how I consult businesses, what is my main role that I give to businesses today, it's a highly optimized and a well-crafted sales funnel strategy. A sales funnel strategy is a roadmap, a foundational template, so to say, like an architect who provides a draft to the builders, to the engineers, to all the other people that then work according to this one strategy. And so this is exactly what I do in terms of businesses, digital businesses. I come up with such a strategy. The strategy involves many different things. You can also focus on different aspects of a sales funnel, like the whole journey from the first touch point to a customer staying with you over years. This whole thing is the whole journey, and this is the whole funnel. But there can be more precise, smaller funnels and smaller areas of the main big funnel. For example, you can craft one specific ad retargeting funnel, or one specific funnel where your traffic sources are coming from, what traffic sources to use, and how to convert them on a page. Also, just one page would also be something like a funnel, or if you, for example, have an opt-in page, a video, and a pitch or a sales page, this would also be a purely conversion-based funnel. Also, the email remarketing, or if you acquire one customer, you nurture them over time through many different like retargeting touch points with email, with chatbot, with retargeting. This would all be put into one sales funnel strategy first. And only if this sales funnel strategy makes sense logically, then copywriters, designers, videographers would start working on that strategy. And this is basically one big blueprint that makes sure that everything that's happening is one holistic big strategy that just makes sense, that just works, that's just proven to succeed in the future, that makes the businesses grow, that makes the business profitable, that makes the customers want to buy the product. And so this is exactly what I've deeply mastered over the last 7 years of working with businesses, working with hundreds of businesses in these areas. And in the next videos, I'm going to share with you all my knowledge about the sales funnel strategy. And you might be shocked what I'm giving away here, because I know some experts, some consultants, some strategists want to sell you a strategy for your business for sometimes tens and hundreds of thousands of euros. But you can become a master of this skill yourself. And what I'm giving you here is I'm giving you all the toolkits and all the knowledge and all the different aspects and concepts that I use to come up with such a strategy. Obviously, most different businesses, they have like slightly different strategies, but overall they are laws, they are big concepts that just need to be understood, so we can come up with one individual strategy for each individual business, and they all make sense and they all work. And I want to equip you with all this knowledge to really help you understand the topic of sales funnel strategy super deeply, so you can become a very successful and impactful digital marketer. That is my main goal to teach you here. And so let's just start right in with the next video.